balls, one hand. This hand, this hand. Doesn't really matter. Gotta learn both. It's not twice as many tricks, it's exponentially as many tricks. So, wait there, third ball. Like I said, there is a 1-ball version, there's a 2-ball version of every single 3-ball trick. So learning this is not like learning one trick, how to do 2 in one hand, because I still don't know that trick. Not learning 2 in one hand, it's like learning 100 or like 1,000 tricks, because then your other hand can just go around and do all kinds of crazy stuff. But you got to start somewhere. So with one hand, you're going to throw it a little bit higher than you're used to, higher than your eyes, and right when it gets to the top, you're going to throw the next one. Up, wait, up. Now there's 3 different ways. What you're not going to do is throw one in front of the other, always like barely getting it off before it leaves your hand. Nobody wants to see that, especially not me. Don't send those to me. What you're going to do is you're either going to, in the plane here, you're going to circle towards the outside of the body, so from the center of the body towards my shoulder, or this is from the outside of the body to the inside. This is typically a little bit harder. Or you're going to keep them next to each other, and your hand is going back and forth. Now, this all looks easy, and it should be after a little bit, but don't be discouraged. So, the key again, when one gets to the top, it's a little bit higher than you're used to throwing your regular cascade throws for juggling with 2 hands. You're going to throw it at a little bit higher height and a little bit faster pace. Up, up, catch, catch. And then count to 3. Up, 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 catch, catch. Make sure that you're staying ahead of the pattern, so up. Not waiting until it's right at your hand. Because again, nobody wants to see that, especially not me. Now, practicing in one hand, piece of cake. You get it, you got all the tricks. No problem. Doing all kinds of fancy stuff. Make sure you do the other hand. Because like I said, all of the advanced tricks are going to need you to be able to do this pretty much in your sleep. Nobody's checking, but you got to get close to that. So, same thing, either next to each other. I don't like that ball, I'm going to switch to the other one. Either next to each other, towards the outside, now that's different for this side of my body, or towards the inside. Because when I switch to the other hand, that's actually opposite. Whew. Time for the hard stuff.